Want to be rich? Most people dream of a life with no money worries. But getting rich isn't about luck, it's about making smart choices. Building wealth the right way means different things to different people. For some, it's about financial freedom. For others, it's about leaving a legacy. What does it mean to you? Think about your why. Why do you want to build wealth? Knowing your reason will keep you going when things get tough. Because building wealth takes time. It takes effort, but most importantly, it takes the right mindset. Are you ready to learn how? Everyone loves a good comeback story. These tales of triumph over adversity captivate our hearts and minds. They remind us that no matter how tough life gets, there's always a way to rise above the challenges. It's these stories that fuel our hope and inspire us to keep pushing forward even when the odds seem insurmountable. These stories remind us that anything is possible. They show us that with enough determination and perseverance, we can achieve our dreams. Whether it's climbing a mountain, starting a new business, or simply finding happiness in our daily lives, these stories serve as a beacon of hope. Take Oprah Winfrey, for example. She grew up in poverty but became a media mogul. Her journey wasn't easy, filled with numerous obstacles and setbacks, yet she never let her circumstances define her. Instead, she used them as stepping stones to build a better future. How? Hard work, determination, and a belief in herself. Oprah's story teaches us that self-belief is crucial. It's the foundation upon which we can build our dreams. Without it, even the smallest challenges can seem insurmountable. Or consider J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter books. She was a single mom struggling to make ends meet. Her life was filled with hardships, but she had a dream to tell a story that would captivate millions. But she never gave up on her dream of writing. Despite facing numerous rejections from publishers, she persisted. Her story is a testament to the power of perseverance. It shows us that even in the face of repeated failures, success is possible if we keep pushing forward. And look at her now. J.K. Rowling's success is a shining example of what can happen when we refuse to give up. Her journey from struggling single mother to world-renowned author is nothing short of inspiring. These stories teach us valuable lessons. They remind us that success is not a straight path, it's filled with twists and turns, ups and downs. But it's these very challenges that make the journey worthwhile. They show us that success doesn't come easy. It requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to face and overcome obstacles. It's about pushing through the tough times and never losing sight of our goals. It comes from pushing through challenges, from learning from mistakes. Every setback is an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to become stronger. It's about resilience and the unwavering belief that we can achieve our dreams, and from never giving up on our dreams. These stories inspire us to keep going, to keep striving, and to never lose hope. They remind us that no matter how difficult the journey, the destination is always worth it. Ready to build your own wealth? It's a journey that requires dedication, knowledge, and a bit of patience. But don't worry, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Here's a simple blueprint to get you started. A roadmap that will help you navigate the complexities of personal finance and set you on the path to financial freedom. First, spend less than you earn. This seems obvious, right? But it's crucial. Living within your means is the foundation of financial stability. It allows you to save and invest for the future. Control your spending and track where your money goes. Use budgeting tools and apps to help you stay on top of your finances. Next, save consistently. Make saving a habit, not an afterthought. Even small amounts add up over time. Think of it like planting seeds in a garden. Each small contribution grows and flourishes, leading to a bountiful harvest in the future. Think of it like this: you're paying yourself first, then invest wisely. Investing grows your money. It's like giving your savings a job to do, helping them work harder for you. Learn about different investment options. Educate yourself on stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better decisions you can make. Start small and gradually increase your investments. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks, but always do your homework. Finally, control debt. Debt is a wealth killer. Avoid unnecessary debt and pay down high-interest debts first. High-interest debt can quickly spiral out of control, so it's important to tackle it head-on. Avoid unnecessary debt and pay down high-interest debts first. Prioritize paying off credit cards and loans with the highest interest rates to save money in the long run. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and perseverance. There will be ups and downs, but stay focused on your goals. Be patient, stay consistent, and you'll see results. Celebrate your progress no matter how small and keep pushing forward. Your financial freedom is within reach. Mindset, the engine of your wealth. Building wealth is as much about mindset as it is about strategy. A positive mindset attracts success. Believe in yourself. Visualize your goals. Stay motivated even when things get tough. Think of challenges as opportunities. Embrace learning. Surround yourself with positive and successful people. Your mindset is your most powerful asset. Cultivate it. Knowledge is your financial powerhouse. Financial literacy is key to building wealth. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Read books, take courses, attend seminars, learn about budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Find a financial advisor you trust. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. Dodging financial pitfalls. Building wealth isn't always easy. It often feels like climbing a steep mountain where every step requires effort and determination. The journey to financial stability is filled with obstacles that can make the path seem daunting. There will be challenges along the way. Just like navigating a rocky coastline or a challenging wilderness path, financial pitfalls can appear unexpectedly, testing your resolve and preparedness. But being aware of common pitfalls can help you avoid them. One major pitfall is overspending. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and spend more than we earn, especially with the convenience of credit cards. Credit cards can be a double-edged sword. They offer convenience but can also lead to accumulating debt if not used wisely. It's crucial to monitor your spending habits and ensure you're not living beyond your means. Track your spending and create a budget. A budget acts as a financial roadmap, guiding you on where your money should go. 2. Not saving. Life gets busy and it's easy to put off saving. However, saving should be a priority. Make saving a priority. Automate your savings to ensure a portion of your income is consistently set aside. This way, you build a financial cushion without having to think about it. 3. Investing without knowledge. Investing can be risky if you don't understand what you're doing. It's essential to do your research and seek professional advice. Educate yourself about different investment options and their associated risks. 4. Falling for get-rich-quick schemes. These schemes often promise high returns with little effort, but they are usually too good to be true. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be cautious of offers that guarantee quick and easy money without any risk. Be wary of schemes that promise quick and easy money. Always do your due diligence and remember that building wealth takes time, effort, and informed decision-making. Start your journey to wealth today. Building wealth is a journey, not a destination. It's about making smart choices today to secure a brighter future. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. Start now. Even small steps can lead to big results over time. Take control of your finances, educate yourself, make a plan and stick to it. You have the power to create the life you want. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to the channel. Share it to encourage others to improve themselves. See you next time.